Diesel heater number 3. It's going in the back RV back bedroom. Had it lit off a water heater, be a good drip pan. Got my van hole, got my fresh air hole. I couldn't get it twisted around the corner here, so I just cut this cabinet down. I'm not using a drawer. That is a heater, 12-volt fan that runs off the engine hot water, cooling water. So I'm just moving it over, and the diesel heater is going to sit right beside it. Got the exhaust inside a can, put extra metal. There's a fresh air intake. There's the exhaust going out to a chase, water heater pan, safety. I got a fuse on the line. It's already plugged in. Display is working. I'm getting ready to test it. Exhaust comes out through that can pipe chase for safety. There's the fresh air intake for combustion. There's the muffler running downhill, getting ready to test it inside. This will be the first test. See what happens. It's supposed to push both these buttons and it'll prime the fuel pump. Push the up and down button. It's priming the fuel pump since I just filled it for the first time. Seems to be working. I'm gonna let it. I'll run it through the cycle and see if it starts. This is a brand new diesel heater. Just installing it today. I may have to run a larger wire. I'm hooked into a 12-volt plug that's in the RV. It should be hopefully 10 amp. Error 2. Alright, I gotta figure this out. Said error 2 was over voltage, so I turned my solar refrigerator on. I got it plugged into my Booz RV power station. This is the first test run. It's a tight fit, but it's in there. I put a funnel in there I can fill it, or I just bought a new pump to pump the fuel from the gallon container. It's drawing 38 watts, 159. 134. I may have to shorten it. There goes the fuel pump. First run. I tried priming the fuel pump. It seemed to work. We'll see if the fuel pump's running. I don't know if it's in there yet. This is the first test run. See what happens. I now have a diesel heater in my back bedroom in the RV. It's ramping up. We got the pump set on 2. That's the lowest setting is 1. I just want to get the fuel pump blood out, see if it'll start up. I'm in 68 watts, so the dual plug's pulling 22 watts. I just heard the burner come on. Yep, it's ramping up. See any leaks? The metal underneath it protects it from the exhaust, goes out the bottom of these. So it's pretty safe. I'm gonna have to figure out the power cord. Should be able to run it. I'm gonna let it cycle and get all the air blood out of the fuel pump. Getting warmer. It's warming up. First run, diesel heater, back bedroom. I'm set on 2, I'm gonna run it through a cycle. Running through my RV, Booz RV power station. And it's the air temperature blowing right out into the floor of the bedroom. First test, brand new, first start. This is on 2 setting. I think it goes up to 6. And that's how warm a diesel heater puts into your living space. Good test today.